Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from Untitled Beading, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make these easy and amazing pearl earrings. If you're new here, it's a good idea to subscribe and check out my next upcoming videos. If you wanna support me and make me do more tutorials, please like, share and comment, and I promise I'll answer to all of you that comment and have any questions. If you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page that I posted below in the description bar. And something new, down in the description bar you could find links from where you could buy beads and materials. These are my affiliate links and I earn a small commission if you buy something. So thank you so much for watching. Let me start with the list of the materials you're going to need. Okay guys, so what you're going to need for this video are two 10mm pearls, and you're going to need white 6/0 seed beads, and you're going to need 11/0 silver seed beads, and earring findings. Here I use liverbacks, but you could use other type of earring findings, whatever you prefer. And I'm using size 10 beading needle. Use your favorite beading thread. You could use fireline or other brand. Here for tutorial purposes I use monofilament, which is 0.14 millimeters, 5.5 pounds, and I'm using of course scissors. Okay, and I will put a full list of the materials down in the description bar and links where you could buy them from. Okay, so let me start, and I will start by putting about an arm span of thread on my size 10 beading needle. Okay, and now I have about an arm span of thread on my beading needle. I squeezed this monofilament through my flat nose pliers to make it go easily through this size 10 beading needle. Okay, and I'm gonna start. I'm taking my pearl here. I will slide it down almost to the end of my thread. I will leave a small tail. And now I will take 7 of these beautiful white 6/0s. Okay, and I have my 7 here, and I'm going in circle around this pearl, just like that. Okay, I will pull my tail thread here. Okay, and I will go back through all of my beads I just added in circle, reinforcing my work up to here. Okay, just like that, and then I'm going inside the pearl again. Okay, this is what I have up to now. Okay, I'm holding my tail thread like that. Good, and now what I need are 7 more of those beautiful 6/0s. Okay, and I have them on my needle, and I'm going again through this pearl, through the center of this pearl. Okay, and I'm pulling, and I might want to go one more time around it. Okay, just like that. I'm pulling, I'm going through this bead here. Okay, now this is what I have. Don't worry, it doesn't look very well now. It will start looking better. Okay, but to make it look better, go here and meet your main thread and your tail thread. Okay, like that. Meet them here. Stick your needle in your mat and make a knot. Okay, take your tail thread, make one loop and pull, and then make a second loop and go twice through that loop, just like that, and make sure you are between those two beads where you started your knot from, and then pull again. Okay, now this is what I have, and I will go reinforce it several more times and make it look even and nicer. Okay, like that. Okay, and go on doing that until you like the result, until all of your beads are nice and tight around this central bead. And I'll do it off camera and I'll be back. Okay, and I did some reinforcement of my work, and now I'm going to start my second row of silver beads. I will take 3 silver beads, and as I'm exiting here from between those two beads out of this bead, I'm going back in circle through those two beads like that, and I'm pulling gently. And now what I have is this, and I want to pull it to the center of my work. Then I'm going to go through the next two beads here to my next two 6/0s, and I'm going to repeat this process. So I'm taking 3 silver beads just like that, and I'm going back through those two 6/0s, and I want to pull this to the center of my work. Then I'm going through the next two beads like that, and I'm going to take 3 more of those beautiful silvers, and I'm going back through these two beads here in circle. Okay, and I pull them to the center of my work just like that. Okay, then I'm going through the next two as well, pull this to the center. Okay, and I want 3 more beads, and I'm going back in circle through those two. Okay, I'm gonna fix them like that and pull them to the center. Okay, I'm exiting of the next one, but I need to exit from the next two. Okay, just like that, and I need 3 more. Okay, and I have them. Then I'm going back through those two again, pull to the center, go through the next two as well, and I will repeat this 2 more times. Okay guys, and now this is what I have. This is the center of my work, and all I'm going to do next is reinforce this central circle of beads like I did before with the outer circle of beads. Okay, I will go through those silvers all around them as many times as I feel it will be good for my work to look nice and tight. Okay, you could go 3 or more times, as many times as you can. Okay, Okay guys, and I'll make some more reinforcing of camera and I'll be back to show you how to finish your earring. Okay, and I reinforced this row here as many times as I could, and now I will go through this white 6/0 of the outer row, and what I'm going to take is one silver bead. I will slide it down, then I will take my ear wire, my lever back, and this is the front side of my earring, so I want to put it this way, so this will be the front part when I close my ear wire. Okay, so I'm sliding this down like that, and now I need one more silver bead here, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going in circle around this 6/0. Okay, and this is what I have here. Then I'm going back through this silver and through my lever back earring finding, and then through this silver and through the 6/0 again. Okay, pull gently. Now reinforce this joint several more times, and then I'll be back to show you how to finish your earring. Okay, and I reinforced this joint and I went through some beads here, and what I want to do is make a knot, so I'm going in circle here through my thread inside this outside row of 6/0s, and I'm making a loop. I'm going once, then I'm going twice through that loop, and I'm pulling gently. Okay, now I have my knot. Then I will go through some more beads and do more knots around my earring, and when I'm ready I will cut both my main thread and my tail thread, and my earring will be ready. Okay guys, and when I repeated all those steps one more time, my earrings are both ready. If you like them and you're new here, it's a good idea to subscribe and check out my next upcoming videos. If you want to support me and make me do more videos, please like, comment and share my videos, and I promise I will answer to all of you that have any questions and comment. And if you make beautiful jewelries following my tutorials, please share them on my Facebook page. Nothing makes me so happy but when I see your beautiful creations and what you did following my videos. And something new, I will post down in the description bar links from where you could buy your beads, so if you want you could check them out, it might be useful for you. I earn a small commission if you buy something from there. Thank you so much for watching, bye bye.